Hi guys, so today we're going to discuss about the vowels, the vowel sounds in the English sound system. So we have about 20 of them, while 12 of them are monophthongs and 8 of them are diphthongs, okay? So what do I call them monophthongs? The monophthongs are the single sounds, the single vowels. Which are these? Look at them. From number 1 to number 12 are the monophthongs. While from number 13 to number 20 are the diphthongs because they are double, okay? You can see for yourself, right? All right. So in these monophthongs, we have about 5 long vowels and 7 short vowels. Okay, we have some that we pronounce longer than others. Okay, those are the long vowels, while we have some that we pronounce shorter than others. So those are the short vowels. For example, we have the sound A. Now, when you find the sound, you call it A, as in apple. A as in apple. Now, this is E as in egg. E. These are one of the long sounds, so we call it E, as in meat. Then we have E, short sound. E, as in sit, sit down. We have R, which is a long sound. R, as in car. Then we have O, as in box, box. Then we have O, as in Lord, my Lord. Then we have as in book, B-L-O-K, book. Then we have oo, as in food, food. Then we have up. This is a short sound, up, as in umbrella, umbrella. So you don't say umbrella, you say umbrella. Then we have this is a long sound, as in bird. Then we have as in okay, above, above, above. Then we have a, as in baby. You call it baby. Then we have I. These are the diphthongs. Hope you remember, right? Then we have I, as in rice. Ow, as in